Hey y'all, and welcome to the Birmingham Real Estate Market Update. This is the 78th edition of this show, and what we do on this show is go through the Birmingham real estate market week by week, looking at the statistics for closings and inventory and sales prices. So that's what we're going to do today, is look at the past week and compare it to the same week the previous year. My name is Rob Drum. I'm a real estate broker at eXp Realty here in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm also the team lead at Birmingham Investments Group, where we specialize in working with investors here in the Birmingham market. And we actually have a Birmingham Investor Social, which is just a pretty casual meetup event at Back 40 Brewery. That's next Wednesday, December 8th, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. We had one of these last month, and it was a huge success. We had over 60 people show up and had a great time just kind of connecting. And that's really what the point is. So if you're interested in investing in real estate and meeting and learning from other investors, would love to see you show up there next week. So let's get started on the numbers. Last week, we had 377 closings. That compares to the same week the previous year at 460, so a little bit less. And you can see that's really been the trend for most of November, running a little bit behind pace. So next week, I'll have the full numbers for the month of November in terms of sales and for price appreciation. And we've been seeing the last couple months, we've been running a little bit behind last year's pace in terms of the number of closings. And really the home price appreciation has slowed its pace a little bit over the last couple months. So it'll be interesting to see what that looks like for the month of November. Active listings, this is really stabilized after kind of going all over the place over the last 18 months. It's really stabilized around this 2,300 to 2,200 range. Number of homes under contract to sell is also really pretty stable, dropping a little bit as we're seasonally in the holiday period. We're going to see less closings on the books over the next month, but still all looking really good. In terms of loan interest rates, 30-year mortgage interest rate index saw a slight uptick by 1 basis point over the last week. And this is the chart of that 30-year mortgage index over the last year. We've been kind of bumping up against the higher end of that range. And I think over the next year, we'll see that continue to climb. So now is definitely a good time. If you've not locked in a great low interest rate on your primary home financing or investment property financing, now would be a great time to do that. I'm doing a little bit of that in my own portfolio. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Would really love it if you would like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all next week.